Mariah. Day 2, Epcot. Scene 1, take 1, action.
We're going on a test drive. Hi guys.
That's weather. Ready? Can you see that window going?
It's for the future. Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the window.
Power train. Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns to see what else lies beyond the horizon.
Let's go.
Everyone is no summer day. You're going to help Welcome to Elsa's Ice Palace.
Cake or an ice cream.
Oh, is this a Weight Watchers cake and ice cream?
No, because I'm on holiday.
Oh, you're on
it's
holiday
definitely
now?
not, yeah.
So the rules don't apply?
No.
When did the...
They've all been brought up this way though. I've done different. The only thing I've ever taken right off of is tonight.
Cool. Yeah, that's German Bavarian beer.
Et ressorti 50 minutes.
You've got to turn the pen on, right?
You got to open it for it.
Wait, I think it's what? Have you taken it?
Cheers. Cheers.
Sorry.
You're in the back, babe. You're not in...
Can't see your face. Say hi. He's not quite go. Go, Mickey.